Garlic is a common ingredient found in kitchens all over the world. It has been used for hundreds of years, not only to enhance the flavor of food, but also as part of traditional home remedies. This powerful and versatile ingredient has served many purposes throughout history. People have used it to season dishes, keep pests away, and even in folklore stories to ward off evil spirits. No matter the tradition, one fact remains clear. Garlic is rich in nutrients and offers a wide range of health benefits. Although garlic contains about 100 calories per 100 grams, it is typically consumed in small amounts. Because of this, it is highly unlikely that eating garlic alone would cause weight gain. Garlic provides complex carbohydrates and small amounts of protein, which can help support both physical energy and mental performance. It is also a good source of important vitamins and minerals, including B vitamins, sodium, potassium, and magnesium. One of garlic's most valuable natural compounds is allicin. This sulfur-based compound gives garlic its strong smell and contributes to many of its health-supporting properties. Garlic has been linked to helping the body fight infections, support metabolic function, and improve respiratory health. It contains antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds that promote heart health. Regular consumption may help lower cholesterol levels and maintain healthy blood pressure. It can also improve blood circulation and may help slow certain signs of aging. Garlic has natural antibacterial properties that can help combat harmful microbes. In addition, it may help reduce fluid retention and ease inflammation in body tissues. Overall, garlic supports many essential functions within the body. Some people place garlic under their pillow as part of an old family tradition believed to promote better sleep. This practice has been passed down for generations, especially among individuals who struggle with falling asleep. The sulfur compounds and strong aroma of garlic are thought to have a calming effect that may improve sleep quality. While the scent may seem strong at first, most people become accustomed to it after a few days. Garlic is also believed to help the body recharge overnight, supporting better energy and focus the next day. Another way to experience garlic's relaxing effects is by preparing a simple, natural bedtime drink. To make it, you will need 1 glass of milk, 1 crushed garlic clove, and 1 teaspoon of honey. Combine the milk and crushed garlic in a small saucepan and heat until it begins to boil. Let it simmer for about 3 minutes, then remove it from the heat and allow it to cool slightly. Add the honey, stir well, and drink it about 30 minutes before bedtime for best results. Garlic is more than just a flavorful seasoning. It can be a powerful, natural supporter of overall wellness and may even help with sleep challenges. If you found this information helpful, like and share the video. Don't forget to subscribe for more health tips and natural remedies.